Okay, I don't know about you, but our garage is sometimes a little cuckoo town. We have this space organized for tools and we need a little bit more. So Mike and I are gonna fiddle with this space and I'm gonna bring you along in the process to show you some cool things that we got from RYOBI. They have a modular storage system. So if you don't want huge cabinets, but you wanna be able to store all of your tools, this is my inspiration. It's from their website of all the different like pieces you can get to put together to make it work for you. This is what we're working with. This is a little workbench that we bought many, many years ago. And then all of Mike's other space over here, we want to fiddle with this area. The modular storage comes in tons of different pieces that go up and then inserts to hang on to everything. I'm linking their website right now so you could kind of see what I'm talking about. But this is a really, really great way for anybody to kind of start organizing. You just have a wall that needs to be utilized. This is gonna be our afternoon project. I look okay? And will you hand me a drill? Thank you. It's not there. Because I want to touch it and be like, and then it is appeared.
Oh, okay.
But maybe we need sunglasses.
What, did you just try to get up there?
Couldn't get my butt up here. Okay, whatever. One. Oh, yes. Okay. Ready? All right. Okay, these are the modular pieces that go on your wall. They're about 6 inches by 2 feet. We got enough to do 10 of them. Anyway, to fill it also side by side. Once you drill these in the wall, with anchors of course, all of the pieces that you get, they hook into here, and there's so many options. Hooks, there's shelving, there's even tool chests that would hook into it. So I think it's pretty dope. And they handle a lot of weight. It should be under an hour project. That's absolutely perfect. If we have 5, 9, 10, oh my gosh, Mike, we have double. I didn't know there were 2 packs. Let's go. Nothing wrong.
You hold on.
These under here, right here. That would work, huh? That looks pretty symmetrical with tools.
Okay. So these stick in there first.
Okay, that was duh.
Yeah,
that was so smart.
Those are a lot.
Okay, Mike taught me a hack putting in the hooks. I was trying to shove it down like the shelving, but you said grab it here.
Yeah, and insert these guys first in the grooves.
Oh.
Yeah.
That was great. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Right. Okay, that took us a minute. And this is like puzzle pieces, trying to figure out where you want everything to go. Some of the hooks that I'm really loving in this Link modular storage system, these ones are super long. They're about 6 inches. They're great for holding like the bigger tools. But these shelving units I think are my favorite because all the drills just slide perfectly. And then of course the storage for these, chargers are up here, put my nails in here. So I really like this one. This is a portable tool chest. And I also have this with wheels. Right now, this has all of our supplies for caulking in it. And then you can take this guy off and stack it on here and like move it where you've got to go. One of the other tools that's my absolute favorite that we've had for a few years, it's not even a tool, but the RYOBI speaker. My daughter grabs this all the time for friends and you just put the charger battery right in here It's so loud. So this is also one of my favorites. So we'll move back in the cabinet and we're done.
Woohoo! Boom. They just don't turn, these ones are always straight.
Our own little spot.
Check it out. I go.
I don't like that.
We did a